welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is gonna have a lot of things. I'm gonna go to camping with my sister and my dad, and then I'll add something else in this whole footage because probably I won't have too much of that experience. We're gonna go with my sister's friends, so I'm not gonna vlog in front of them. I don't even know if they would be okay with me putting them on the internet. So much traffic in the middle of the day.
Mira que hay un...
Diga hola.
¡Hola!
De hace como media hora. Tengo frío.
Qué rico está para dormir.
Y no hay, ¿qué es? Señal. No, espérate, sin camisa. Síganme los buenos. Y la Pame no viene. Ah, no. Al mirador. La Pame se iba a rendir, pero ella está aquí. No está aquí.
fashion primero.
How was it?
Awful. Why? I almost died at the beginning.
But I mean, it was weird.
After you get to the top, it's better. But my feet hurt so bad right now.
So we just came back and I'm drinking some coffee. I wanted to clean my shoes because they're gray and they are supposed to be white. But I'm watching Wednesday and I'm so tired. According to my watch rings, I closed all of them and I didn't even go to the gym, which that was part of the plan today, but I won't go. I'm so tired. Tomorrow probably I'll go. I'm still trying to figure it out if I should do a leg workout or back, which is what I've been missing this week. I feel like I'm trying to fit everything according to my gym schedule, but it doesn't work all the time. So this week in particular was one of those weeks. Anyways, my sister broke my tripod, so I didn't even use it. I don't know why I took it there, so I don't have a tripod anymore. I fixed it once and now it's broken again, so
How do you feel the aftermath of hiking for 4 hours?
It hurts. Everything hurts. My ass.
What? She walks with that.
How do you say that in English? Pantorrilla?
Calves.
That one too. And that's it.
I came home and had something to eat, and I'll go to the gym in like 15 minutes, and then I have a party to go. It's not a party, it's kind of like a dinner. One of my friends graduated, so she invited me to her dinner celebration. So I'm gonna show you how everything goes. I have my outfit here. I've been using this for everything. At this point, I don't want to buy clothes anymore. I'm so done like wasting. It's not a waste of money, but spending money. I'm done with that. No, but yeah, I'm ready to destroy my legs again.
Entre los dos, tienen el básico por manual.